To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Seems to be unravelling in the run-up to the crucial assembly polls on the cards. Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party has declared that they are no longer a part of the India bloc. Then you had the Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray admitting to differences within the Mahavikas Aghadi, which is the opposition's alliance in the state of Maharashtra. The former chief minister has said that internal tussles led to MVA's loss in the assembly elections, and if such mistakes are repeated, then there's no point of an alliance. Then you had the left take it a step further. After Rahul Gandhi compared RSS with the CPIM, they said that Rahul is an immature leader, and they've urged the Congress party's senior leaders to speak with him and urge him to act in a more mature manner. In fact, the left says that the nation expects a lot more from Rahul Gandhi than the immature statements that he now has a penchant for making.
आम आदमी पार्टी का जहां तक प्रश्न है, हमने स्पष्ट किया अपनी स्थिति कि इंडिया गठबंधन जो था वो लोकसभा चुनाव के लिए था। उसके बाद हरियाणा हम अकेले लड़े, दिल्ली हम अकेले लड़े, बिहार का चुनाव अकेले लड़ने जा रहे हैं और 2 बाई इलेक्शन हुआ, एक गुजरात में और एक पंजाब में। दोनों बाई इलेक्शन हम अलग अलग लड़े। तो आम आदमी पार्टी इंडिया गठबंधन का हिस्सा नहीं है।
आम्ही महाविकास आघाडी म्हणून पहिल्या प्रथम निवडणूक लढलो ती लोकसभा, त्याच्यामुळे ठीक आहे, आम्ही म्हणजे शिवसेनेने सुद्धा काही वेळेला 4-4 वेळा 5-5 वेळा जिंकलेले मतदारसंघ आपल्याला जिंकायचंय म्हणून सोडून दिले। लोकसभेच्या वेळेला महाविकास आघाडी आणि सगळे नेत्यांपासून कार्यकर्त्यांपर्यंत अरे ठीक आहे, तू तर तू, आपल्याला जिंकायचंय, हे आपलेपण होता। विधानसभेला नाही मला जिंकायचंय, हा आपल्यातून मीपणा जेव्हा आला तेव्हा पराभव आला।
राहुल गांधी being the leader of the India Alliance movement should show some amount of maturity. His statement was quite irresponsible. The CPM and the CPI, all left parties deplore the same, because no sensible man can compare RSS with left parties.
Now, it's not just the left that is unhappy with Rahul Gandhi's behavior. Congress's close ally Samajwadi Party has also condemned his remarks, saying that it is not fair to compare the left with the RSS.
पार्टी पहले ही इस बात को कह चुकी है कि आरएसएस की जो विचारधारा है, जो देश तोड़ने वाली सोच है, उसका समाजवादी पार्टी विरोध करती रही है, करती रहेगी। और कांग्रेस की सीपीएम से जिस तरीके की तुलना आरएसएस से की है कांग्रेस लीडर ने, वो उससे समाजवादी पार्टी सहमत नहीं है। और राहुल गांधी जी को निश्चित रूप से अपनी बात को स्पष्ट करना चाहिए।
Now, naturally, such comments have alarmed the Bharatiya Janata Party, who is asking Rahul Gandhi to wake up and smell the coffee. They say that Rahul does not need the BJP to call out his leadership anymore because his own allies are doing just that.
अब उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने कहा है कि एमवीए में प्रॉपर स्ट्रेटेजी नहीं थी, एमवीए ने प्रॉपरली काम कम्युनिकेट नहीं किए और ईगोज और सीट शेयरिंग के अंदर देर करने की वजह से हम चुनाव हार गए। उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने सीधे सीधे एमवीए पर निशाना साधा। दरअसल कांग्रेस इस पूरी इंडिया अलायंस की लायबिलिटी है। कोई कांग्रेस के साथ रहना ही नहीं चाहता। कांग्रेस एक डेड वेट की तरह है, केवल इनके कंधों पर है।
Another alliance partner of India Alliance, the left, has shown mirror to Rahul Gandhi by saying that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is immature. In fact is that yes, he is immature because he has not read the Indian history. He doesn't know about RSS. He doesn't know about left. There is no comparison between RSS and left. RSS is a nationalist organization, whereas left is a organization or parties or ideology promoted by the outside influence, which is China and Russia.
Now, the Congress is not in any mood to introspect just yet. They say that ideological differences may lead to such clashes, but it's their allies that need to show more maturity.
We are different parties, and why so? Because some differences are there, ideological differences are there, and that was expressed by Rahulji. Of course, had we of the same opinion, say, had we have the same ideology, we would have not formed a different political party. I don't think that there is any big issue in it. And of course, it's ideological differences. And in ahead of election or in coming election, UDF, LDF will be fighting against each other.
Rahul Gandhi ji had said something about CPIM. This is he only meant was that like RSS, CPIM is also a cadre-based party, and I don't think he meant any derogatory statement or motive behind it. And as far as taking that he cannot lead the India Alliance, I think he has totally misconceived the statement, and he should be also mature, Mr. Santosh Kumar.
My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the phone line with more on this. Niyamika, right, as the monsoon session begins today, the opposition bloc clearly seems to be in tatters, with most allies of the Congress party calling the party as well as Rahul Gandhi out.
Well, yes, indeed. It shows that how the rift is continuing within the India bloc, and that is the only reason why several of the leaders from the other parties who are a part of this alliance have made certain comments against Rahul Gandhi, as it is Mr. P. Santosh who has made this remarks against Rahul Gandhi by calling him immature, as he was basically giving a reply to Rahul Gandhi's statement where he had equated RSS and the CPM. On the other side, if we talk about the Congress party in particular, then the Congress leaders are basically trying to justify by saying that he hasn't stated anything wrong, and in fact it was the chief whip of Lok Sabha of the Congress party, Mr. K. Suresh, who have even called P. Santosh as a small leader, as he stated that he should also refrain himself from making any such kind of remarks while he was talking about the former Congress president and the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, as Mr. K. Suresh has even made an attack upon Mr. P. Santosh by saying that it is very much immature and insensible on his part to make such kind of comments against Rahul Gandhi. But clearly it has given ammunition to the BJP, as they have once again started raising this entire issue, saying that the other leaders of the India bloc parties also believe that Rahul Gandhi should not lead the entire India Alliance, and that shows the real face of the entire India bloc party.
Right, Niyamika, thanks very much for joining us with those details. We'll keep getting you the latest, viewers, as far as the rift within the India bloc is concerned. Right now, it's time for a short break. News and updates continue on the other side.